The CV Marketplace allows ClearVantage 9 users to download and install new reports and business intelligence gadgets directly from ClearVantage. All these reports are free of charge and can be downloaded in seconds without the assistance of Euclid staff. To access the ClearVantage Marketplace, select the Help tab and ClearVantage Marketplace. The Marketplace includes charts, table views, pivot views, and reports. Altogether, there's almost 100 items currently in the Marketplace, and new items are constantly being added. Open any of the categories to see the items available. Items can also be filtered by subject area. Let's look at items only in the event category. Once we've decided the reports or gadgets we'd like to download, we simply select them and click Download and Install Selected. Now these two items have been downloaded and installed into our ClearVantage system. Charts, table views, and pivot views will be automatically added to the Shared List Manager. Here's the new item we just downloaded from the Marketplace. Reports, on the other hand, will automatically be added to Information Central. Here's the item we just added. Now that you've downloaded gadgets and reports from the ClearVantage Marketplace, they can be customized just like any other report. If you have any questions about how to use the ClearVantage Marketplace, or would like to submit an idea for an item that should be added, please contact your Euclid support representative.